Hey, what is up YouTube? Welcome to the Custom Adventurous. So today I'll be reviewing the Funsnap Capture 2. Alright, getting right into the packaging. Just gotta open the box real quick, get the plastic off. Comes in a little carrying case. Pretty nice, has some manuals and stuff in there. Quick start guide. Then we get to the gimbal inside the carrying case. Very high quality feeling. We got our little tripod thingy. Alright, so this is a 3-axis gimbal for your phone. For me, this is my first ever gimbal I've ever really messed with. And I have to say, I'm really impressed. This thing is dope. Just looking at it, it just looks insane. The phone just stays right in the middle while everything else moves. It's just mind-boggling to me. Okay, so this thing comes in at $99 US, and you can pick it up on Amazon. You can film your phone vertical and in horizontal, but I don't know why my iPhone in the vertical doesn't seem to work very well. Seems to like do a little glitch out. Not sure why. Maybe it's because the phone weighs so much, but I don't know. This thing has 12 hours of battery life. You won't really have to worry about the battery running out anytime soon. The gimbal itself is pretty light and is made of very high quality feeling polymer. At least I think it's polymer. I don't really know. There's also a little thing on the bottom that lets you screw in like a tripod, or it also comes with a 3-pronged thing to like sit it on, like a mini tripod. So that comes in handy a lot. The thing has 4 buttons on it. There's a trigger on the back side, wheel/button on the side. On the front there's a power button and a recording button. Above those buttons there's a little joystick to control the whole gimbal. Also there's 2 LEDs in the top corners of that little control panel. I would say the biggest phone you should put in there should be around the size of like an iPhone 11 Pro Max, or like the same weight, because the iPhone 11 Pro Max is pretty heavy. Because I seem to push all the limits to be able to get it to balance. I had to put that extra weight on and I had to balance it all the way to the right. But smaller phones should work just fine. This thing also has a companion app and it also connects via Bluetooth. The companion app is pretty good and you can control just about everything on this gimbal. You can adjust the response speed, the button controls. Personally, I prefer the native iPhone shooting app. Not sure, the colors just seem to be a bit better. The app does have other cool functions like face tracking and object tracking, and for the most part they work pretty well. Alright, how's it going? Yeah, so this is pretty much the face tracking. Kind of not as responsive as you'd want, but it still really works pretty well. I do wish it was a bit more responsive, but as long as you aren't moving too fast, it should work fine. Like you can just... Now it lost me. Another cool thing I really appreciate about this is it's completely silent. No noise, which I really appreciate. See? No noise. I do wish I could mount an external mic for better audio, but I guess you can't get everything. Another thing I wish it had is the ability to program shots. So you could use this like one of those robots like on MKBHD's YouTube channel to get really cool shots. Also, this thing is really smooth when you're running and walking. Alright, so now I'm going to be recording with a iPhone 6s. Has really poor stabilization, but I'm going to show how it still can work and everything. So I'll play the video right here. So I can run across the room. It's really stable. Alright, now I'm going to show in comparison what it would be like just in my hand. And yeah, let's start the video. Alright. When you like turn the handle, the phone will turn with it, but in a much smoother manner. So like you can like twist either side and it'll go that way. With this gimbal there's a ton of untapped potential to make really cool shots. Overall, I definitely recommend this gimbal. Pretty much all good things for me. And yeah, make sure to like, subscribe, and peace.